What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is geared towards the beginner fisherman. I had a few people reach out to me and tell me that they're just getting into fishing. They've been out there a couple times, but they're always confused as to what knot they should be tying or even how to tie these knots. Is their one biggest thing, their one biggest concern that they have. So figured I'd make a video, put it out there, help some of you guys out. But before we get into it, I want to share some exciting news with you guys. I've been lucky enough to get chosen to partner with the good people at PartsVu. As you can see here, they gave me my own affiliate link. So PartsVu, they have Yamaha and Mercury marine parts, along with Suzuki, all right, bunch of stuff on marine safety, boating and fishing apparel. My boys right here at Hook Gear, also a part of the PartsVu family. Fishing gear, accessories, lighting, electronics, navigation, trailing, anything you guys can think of, these guys have it. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check out the website, give the PartsVu people a look, and if you guys need anything, just go codes right there. All right, so first knot I want to teach you guys is called the clinch knot. Put the line right through the eye of the hook. Give yourself sufficient tag end. What you want to do is pinch it right down here. You don't have to, but I just like doing it, and wrap around the tag end, okay? Anywhere from 4 to 6 times, depending on how light the line is. All right. Then once you do that, you want to get that tag in, and the loop that's formed right here. So run it right through there. Okay. You can hold on to it right there with your thumb and just pull the main line. And then you're gonna see that knot, it's gonna start cinching itself down. Just like so. Grab the hook, tighten the line a bit more. Snip off the tag end. There's your clinch knot. Now another version of that same knot is called the improved clinch knot. So I'm going to show you guys how to tie that. But same thing, just put your line right through the eye of the hook. Give yourself sufficient tag end. All right, gonna pinch that end right there. Wrap the line around once, twice, 3 times, in this case 4 times. Grab that same tag end. Right through that hole right there at the bottom. All right, and then you see this hole that you guys just made right there? Run that same tag end through that hole right there. Okay, so just put it right through that hole. Grab your hook, start pulling both. Don't pull too tight, just a little bit until you get that knot to form right there. Grab the hook tight, grab the main line, and just pull. Cut the tag in. And that right there is the improved clinch knot. So that knot right there is great to tie when you're tying the line straight onto the hook, or if you're going to be tying a knot right onto a any swivel or anything like that. Those knots work great. The next knot I'm going to show you guys is more so a knot just geared to tying your hook, not so much swivels or anything like that, but great for your hook. So let's get into it. All right, so for the next knot, the Palomar knot, which is what I'm going to show you guys how to tie next. I brought out some of the mono because it's going to be easier to tie than the other line that I was using just for demonstration purposes. So take your main line, run it through the eye of the hook. Okay. Pull out a good amount. Take that tag end, run it right back through the eye of the hook. Okay, just pull a little bit. What you're gonna do is take this line right here and you're gonna create a loop knot. So just a loop, okay? Run it right back through the hole. just like that. All right, and then what you're gonna want to do is take that hook, run it right through that loop that you just made. All right, so it should look something like that. Take your main line and your tag end and just pull up. Just pull, 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 pull. You're gonna see the knot starting to form. At this point, you wanna go ahead and wet your line. Okay. As soon as you get your line wet, hold your hook. In this case, I'm gonna take my pliers. Get both the tag end and the main line and just pull. As tight as I possibly can. Then you take your scissors, your clippers, whatever you got. Cut the tag in. There you have it. That's the Palomar knot. Alright, so last knot I'm going to show you guys, the one knot that I use for everything. Some of you guys might already know this and recognize it. For those of you that don't know, I'm going to teach you guys the Uni knot. Very simple to tie. Put your line through the eye of the hook. Give yourself sufficient tag end. I like to pinch the line right here by the eye. Take this line and create a loop. See what I just did there? Create a loop. Now hold on to it with your thumb, and then take this tag end and wrap it around these lines right here. About 5 times is usually what I give it. Okay, I only did 4 this time, but that's okay. And take your hook. You're gonna pull that little tag in just a little bit until the knot starts forming. You're gonna stop right there. You don't wanna cinch it down all the way. Then grab your main line and just start pulling. And that knot is gonna cinch itself down. Pull tight. Grab your scissors, your clippers, whatever you're using. Cut that tag in. There you have it. Uni knot. Alright, so there you have it, guys. 3 knots that I feel that every angler should know, even the beginning anglers. Alright, those 3 knots are gonna do you good. You're gonna catch fish on there. The knots are not gonna break on you. They're gonna stay nice and tight. And my favorite personally is the Uni knot, because I can use that across the board for anything. I can use it for tying on hooks, tying on swivels, line to line connections. So that's the one that I mainly use, and more so because I feel comfortable in making that knot very quickly. So I've learned to make that knot very quick in just, you know, split second. There's fish biting, I happen to get break off, I gotta tie a hook on really quick. That's my go-to knot right there. So again, hope that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.